Hey there, welcome to the channel. Greetings from Hong Kong City. In this video, I want to show you how to use a powerful tool called Syllaby to create, edit, and post AI faceless videos to YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, the list goes on. I've personally been using this tool for around 3 months to generate AI faceless videos, upload them to YouTube, and I'm seeing pretty good results so far. So I just decided, why not make a full tutorial showing how to get started with Syllaby. It's completely free. They offer some credits to get started, and then you will most likely need to upgrade to the paid plan, which starts at $25 per month and goes all the way up to $150 plus. I'll leave a link in the description below. It is an affiliate link, so if you sign up, I will get a commission from Syllaby. I'd really appreciate that. And we can also go through some of the features as well. So first of all, you've got content creation, and it can generate scripts and create ideas. And then it's also got the AI tools for creating AI avatars and voice clones, which I've also made tutorials about on this channel, showing how to create AI avatars using another platform called HeyGen, which I highly recommend checking out. And same with the voice clones using 11 Labs. But you can also do it with Syllaby, and it's all included within the platform. So really, really useful. And of course, you can also generate the faceless videos as well. So create the videos, upload them to YouTube, and just wait for the views to start coming in. So with that being said, let's get started. I'm going to come on over to my dashboard here. I'm already logged into my account. And right away, you'll see this is my dashboard. So you can see you can turn text into engaging videos, you can create B-roll videos, and you can also convert product pages and web content into video ads. Those are just a few of the things you can do with Syllaby, and you can also take a look through the gallery here to see other examples of videos that people have already created using Syllaby. The next tab down is your analytics. So this is basically just showing the number of views that each video is getting and those sorts of things. And then you've also got your videos and assets right here. So these are the videos that I've already created using Syllaby. If I want to preview one of these, I can just click on it and it will open up the preview and you play the video from here. So there's actually, this is not one of my own videos. This is an example, I believe. Or maybe not. No, this is actually my own videos here. You can see all videos, drafts, processing, completed, and published right there. Easy access. And this one, if I click on it, I can also preview it here. And you can also see the link and publish to social media platforms directly from here. So TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and I believe that's Threads right there. Now, if I want to create a new video, all I have to do is click up here on Create Video. In this case, I'm just going to select Faceless Video. Now, from here, I can basically create any number of faceless videos spanning about a week all the way up to 1 month with a few simple prompts. So I'll show you what that looks like. So here we are. And right away, you can see you can choose from the different styles here. I usually select hyperrealism. I just kind of like the way these look the best, and you can also preview it here as well. So that's what it looks like with the subtitles, and you can also customize a lot of this stuff as well. I've already chosen a preset here, but if I want to change the style of the thumbnail, the subtitle, I can do that quickly and easily from here. And I can also choose the voice. So these are the voices that are available within Syllaby. And I believe you can also integrate 11 Labs and connect up your 11 Labs account as well to use your own voice clone. But in most cases, you can just select one of the pre-built-in voices here. And then obviously you can choose the aspect ratio of the video. So in most cases, people use Syllaby for creating YouTube shorts, for example. So it would just be portrait mode. And then the video length can be less than 1 minute all the way up to 10 minutes if you're on the paid plan. And you can also see up here the number of credits that I have available. Since I'm on the paid plan, I get 500 credits per month. And you can also take a look at how much it costs to make these videos. So this one, Faceless Videos, is 13 credits per minute. And yeah, so I've got about 38 minutes worth of videos that I can create for the month using Syllaby. And you can also choose the character consistency down here as well. To be honest, I don't really know what this does. I guess if you have a character in your faceless videos, you can just use the same character every time. But for me, I'm not really doing that in this case. So yeah, but you can do that as well. And then you can also choose from advanced options if you want to change the animation effects, the sound effects. If you want to add any background music to the video, you can do that here as well. You can change the subtitle position, so middle, bottom, or top. And yeah, so that's pretty easy to do. And most important thing here is the video title and the video script. So if I enter a title like, let's say, AI automations to save time and money for your business here, then I can just create a custom script, or I can use the AI script assistant right here. So in this case, I'm going to select custom topic, which is what I entered up here. And they also have some examples here as well, like Greek history, war stories, ancient facts. You can also just generate the scripts based on those topics. But in this case, I want to create AI faceless videos on this topic in the video title up here. So that's what I'm going to do. And now it should just be able to generate the script using this. So actually, in this case, I'm going to use custom script, and that's what the video is going to be about, right? So now I should be able to generate the video here somehow. Let me enter the script here. There we go. And now we're going to generate the script. It looks like there was an error for some reason. So let's try custom script, AI script. I should be able to use the AI script assistant. Not sure why this isn't working. It says not found. Each one emit AI script will cost 1 credit. Video title. I've already included the script down here, and it just says not found. So for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm just going to choose one of the topics here, and then I'm going to click on generate script, and once again it says not found. So I'm not exactly sure what's going on here. Maybe they're having some issues with Syllaby right now. Not sure. Let's try that again. Once again, not found. Maybe because of the preset. I'm using the preset here. That could be the issue. Not exactly sure what's going on, but I'm just doing this in real time, so we'll see if it's able to. No, still not working. Try again here. Usually works just fine. I don't know what's going on. It says not found. So let's try this again. Let's just click on create video up here and select faceless video. And from here, we should be able to create the video without too many issues, hopefully, if everything goes according to plan. So I'm going to select everything the same as before, and then I'm going to enter the video title and AI script assistant and generate script. Okay, so sorry. Now it's working. So it's generating the script. I don't know what the issue was before, but I'll probably leave that in the video just to show what you can do with this. So there's the script. In this fast-paced world of business, conserving time and cutting costs can be a game changer. Welcome to the future with AI automations. All right. So that's the script. And then now all I have to do is generate the video. And from here, I can also create any number of videos like to post over the entire week. So now it's generating the video. I'm going to go back to my videos here, and you will see it should be generating the videos here. It's rendering. And if I click on this, I should be able to schedule them as well once it's finished rendering. So we can do that through the content calendar. So I'm going to come over to calendar here. And then if I click here, I can actually just schedule the posts right here. So I can choose whether to post on YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. And you can also customize it for each social media network as well. Right, so it basically will just feed in the title, generate the script, post the videos, and you can also include your affiliate link in there as well. In this case, this is my affiliate link. So that'll be included when it posts the video to YouTube in this case. We're going to come back over to videos and it's still rendering. So once that's finished, I can basically schedule all of these videos to post every day of the week. But I'll show you what that looks like over here. If I click on one of my previous videos that I've generated here, you can see right here, this is the video. So once it finishes loading, you'll see the video here. And then I can also just choose to publish it right here, or I can automate these things. But I have to wait for this video to finish rendering first, which usually takes a couple minutes. It's still processing. Yeah, once it's finished, I can just schedule the posts, and then you will need to connect up your social media accounts over here, obviously. And if you want to add an account, you can quickly and easily do that here. If I want to connect another YouTube account, for example, I could just click on YouTube, sign in, and post, create the account here. And so right now I've just got Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. And it also shows the platform limits here as well. So max video length is 12 hours for YouTube, 10 minutes for TikTok, 15 minutes for LinkedIn, 240 minutes for Facebook, which is interesting. I didn't even know that. And then you can also create AI avatar clones through here as well, which is pretty cool. So you can craft your voice clone right here. Basically, you just have to upload some audio or record your voice from within Syllaby, and it looks like it's generating the voice clone by Syllaby with 11 labs, which is also what I use for my voice clones as well. But basically through Syllaby, it's just it's baked right into the platform, which is pretty cool. And then you can also choose from your voice clones here. Once you finish recording and doing the voice clone, looks like there's no way to actually integrate 11 labs directly into Syllaby as far as I can tell, but it is using 11 labs to create the voice clones directly from within Syllaby. You've also got a video editor built into Syllaby as well, so you don't have to go over to CapCut or Final Cut or anything like that. You could just upload the videos directly to Syllaby and edit them quickly and easily from within here. So that's super handy as well. And you've also got thumbnail generation in here too. So basically you just have to describe what the video is about and it will create thumbnails for you. Personally, I prefer to use a tool like Pixels, which is over here, and it works great. Really, really easy to basically just recreate thumbnails based on other successful thumbnails. And I've been using this tool called Pixel for quite a while. This is what it can do. So basically you just take a thumbnail, existing thumbnail on YouTube, and you can face swap. So you just put your own face on top of it. And that works amazing. Highly recommend checking out Pixels. There's a link to Pixels down below as well. But you also have the option to do it directly within Syllaby too. And looks like that video was finished rendering. So if I come back over here, it's now finished. And if I want to preview it, I can click here. We'll see what it looks like. Pretty cool. That's using the hyperrealism filter. And then if I want to post this to YouTube, I can just click here and give it a title and choose whatever network I want to post it to. And you can also suggest a description from AI. So we'll just use AI to generate the description for you. And then you can basically just upload quickly and easily. All I have to do is hit publish, or you can schedule it as well. So that's where the content calendar comes in. You can schedule all of your posts. And there's also a way to just create these videos in bulk as well. So basically you create all the videos using the bulk scheduler right here. So if I want to just schedule a bunch of videos and create them using Syllaby, I can do so quickly and easily right here using the bulk scheduler. But I will have to go through and create the videos again. That really comes in handy if you want to just post, a couple times, like almost every day of the week. As I've done here, it started and then it just posted a video every day of the week using the bulk scheduler. So if I want to do that, I can just create a bulk scheduler right here and choose a custom topic. I'm only going to post on YouTube. And I'll show you how this works as well. I'm just going to paste in that same topic right there. AI automations to save time and money for your business. And then we're going to auto-generate descriptions and tags, which you can do within Syllaby as well. And I also want to include the call to actions and links in these videos as well, so that they can sign up with my affiliate link in the description below if you want to get started. And for duration, you can choose anywhere from 7 days all the way up to 30 days. So you can basically just schedule an entire month's worth of content with Syllaby, and we'll upload every single day to YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, whatever you want. And you can choose how many posts per day as well. So 1 post, 2 posts, all the way up to 5 posts per day. And choose the starting date. So today is the 12th. I'm just going to select, well, I guess it needs to be tomorrow. So I'll choose August 11th, and then you can choose the posting frequency here and also the time of day to post as well in your time zone. So if I want to do that, I could just post a video every day of the week for an entire week, and I'm just going to hit next. And this will basically just go through and start creating the videos. I have to do the same thing I did before. In this case, maybe I'll choose a different filter so I can scroll through all the different options here. But yeah, I really just like hyperrealism. It looks pretty cool. So I'm just going to choose hyperrealism, and I'll customize the subtitle. That looks pretty good. And then from here, all I have to do, I also want to choose the voice as well. So I'm going to choose an American voice right here and generate the script. So that's just going to generate all the scripts for each day of the week. You can see here it's generating all the scripts, and this doesn't take very long at all. It just takes a couple minutes, a couple seconds actually. Now that's done, right? So it's just gone through and generated all the scripts for each of the videos. And now from here, I can basically generate the videos, right? So that's what I'm going to do now. I'll just click on generate video. Obviously, you can customize these scripts to your heart's desire. Just go through and customize each one and then generate the videos. So I'm just going to click on generate video, and that will generate the videos using the AI script and also schedule them for the social media accounts posting as well. So as you can see, it's generating now, and then usually takes like anywhere from about 5 to 10 minutes. Once that's finished, it will put it into the content calendar over here and then automatically schedule all of the posts for you using the bulk scheduler. So yeah, if you haven't tried Syllaby yet, I highly recommend it, especially if you're looking to grow a YouTube channel quickly without a lot of work. Posting short form videos is a really good way to do that. If you want to get monetized faster on YouTube, I would recommend focusing on the long form videos, just like I'm doing on this channel, because you're not going to be getting paid very much for your shorts unless you're getting millions and millions of views. But using a tool like Syllaby increases your chances of getting, hundreds of thousands, millions of views with very little time and effort. So highly recommend it. Link in the description below again. And let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I'd be happy to help. And with that being said, signing off. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Stay safe. Peace from Hong Kong.